Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to change MS Word language to English, or you can any language to the Word. For this you need to click on the file on the top left corner and click on the option on the bottom left corner, and now head to the language in the Word option, and here you can see that English Australia is a preferred language for my computer. You can change it to English United States and then click set as preferred, and now click yes. And if you want to add any language, then you need to select add a language, click on that and add any language. For example, Arabic Syria, click add, and here you can see that if you want to make it your preferred language, you can set as preferred language, but I'll be happy with the English United States, so this is the preferred language. And now then click OK. And now Word says that restart Office so that your language change can take effect. You need to restart the Microsoft Office. Click OK. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.